maximum and minimum values for ints. How do I represent minimum and maximum values for integers in Python? In Java, we have integer.min_value and integer.max_value.
Python 3. In Python 3, this question doesn't apply. The plain int type is unbound. However, you might actually be looking for information about the current interpreter's word size, which will be the same as the machine's word size in most cases. That information is still available in Python 3 as sys.maxSize, which is the maximum value representable by a signed word. Equivalently, it's the size of the largest possible list or in-memory sequence. Generally, the maximum value representable by an unsigned word will be sys.maxSize 2 plus 1, and the number of bits in a word will be math.log2 sys.maxSize 2 plus 2. See this answer for more information. Python 2. In Python 2, the maximum value for plain int values is available as sys.maxint. You can calculate the minimum value with sys.maxint, one as shown here. Python seamlessly switches from plain to long integers once you exceed this value. So most of the time, you won't need to know it.
If you just need a number that's bigger than all others, you can use. In similar fashion, a number smaller than all others. This works in both Python 2 and 3.
The sys.maxint constant has been removed from Python 3.0 onward. Instead use sys.maxSize. Integers. PEP 237, essentially, long renamed to int. That is, there is only one built-in integral type, named int, but it behaves mostly like the old long type. PEP 238, an expression like half returns a float. Use 1//2 to get the truncating behavior. The latter syntax has existed for years, at least since Python 2.2. The sys.maxint constant was removed, since there is no longer a limit to the value of integers. However, sys.maxSize can be used as an integer larger than any practical list or string index. It conforms to the implementation's natural integer size, and is typically the same as sys.maxint in previous releases on the same platform, assuming the same build options. The repr of a long integer doesn't include the trailing L anymore, so code that unconditionally strips that character will chop off the last digit instead. Use str instead. Octal literals are no longer of the form 0720, use 00720 instead. Refer this URL.
For Python 3, it is